Uniden AppCam Solo is a 100% wire-free, battery-powered, full HD weatherproof smart camera. Place the camera anywhere that you need watching, indoors or outdoors, and rest assured your home is safe and sound. It connects to Wi-Fi and can be set up in a matter of minutes. The camera's smart PIR motion sensor detects movement and immediately sends you alerts. You can see and hear what's happening from wherever you are, and the two-way talk feature means you can listen and talk back in real time. Check to see if your baby is sleeping soundly. Watch what your pet might be getting into. See if there's any security concerns, such as a break-in or burglary at home or at work. Installation is so easy. Just place the AppCam Solo on a shelf or any other flat surface. Mount it to the wall or place it up on the ceiling. No cords, no wiring hassles, and no need for expensive base stations. It's completely portable and flexible so that you can place it anywhere. The kitchen, the living room, the baby's room, the front and back door, the garage at work, or even outside on a tree overlooking your front or backyard. If you need, you can move it anywhere at any time because it's 100% wire-free. The Uniden AppCam Solo features full HD 1080p viewing and connects to your local Wi-Fi network. 1080p Full HD means clear images and live streaming in more detail. The 130-degree wide viewing angle lens provides a greater field of vision, covering more area and minimizing any blind spots. Night vision up to 10 meters allows you to see clearly at night or in darker locations. Using the free Uniden Solo app, available for Apple and Android smartphones and tablets, you can check in and view from anywhere in the world at any time. Push notifications, email, and sound alerts from the camera to the app mean you get notified of events when they happen, no matter where you are. Motion-triggered recording means video can be recorded to an external SD card for future use. The Uniden AppCam Solo can be placed in or outdoors without worrying about the weather. Its weatherproof and innovative design mean the camera can be used anywhere and adjusted to cover any area. The camera simply sticks to its magnetic base and can be twisted and angled to suit any situation. Give yourself peace of mind with one of the most flexible and convenient surveillance cameras on the market, sure to suit any home or business. The Guardian AppCam Solo 100% wire-free, full HD, weatherproof smart camera. Monitoring and securing your home or business has never been so easy. Uniden, we've got you covered.